Hey everyone, today at Trzaskowski Friedman and Associates, we're going to be discussing navigating the complex short-term rental ordinances in Monterey Peninsula, focusing on the city of Monterey as well as unincorporated Monterey.
What are the short-term rental laws in Monterey, you ask? That's a complicated question. Each city on the Monterey Peninsula has its own set of STR regulations. Let's look at a couple of examples. Well, let's break it down. We actually sat down with rental expert Jan Leisure of Monterey Bay Property Management to get the latest on the current specific city and county ordinances.
First, let's understand the difference between a short-term rental and a home sharing rental. An STR, short-term rental, is when you rent out a vacant residential unit for fewer than 30 days. On the other hand, a home sharing rental is when the owner lives on site and rents out part of their residence. Short-term rentals are actually prohibited in the city of Monterey, and advertising them is also prohibited as well. The city strictly enforces these rules with penalties and fines.
Let's start with the current legal situation for the unincorporated areas of Monterey County. In the unincorporated inland areas of Monterey County, owners must pay an approximate $8,000 permit application fee, but the permits are not guaranteed. Once you obtain the permit for the non-incorporated areas, rental periods must be at least 7 days or more, which means a minimum of 6 nights.
In the coastal zone of Monterey County, STRs are also prohibited, but you can apply for a bed and breakfast use permit for $14,000. However, no such permit has been issued yet. Currently, the county is working on a new short-term rental ordinance that will cover both coastal and non-coastal permits. However, it's been in process since 2013, so it's pretty uncertain when it will be finished. The current TOT, which is the transient occupancy tax you have to pay, is 12% and must be paid monthly. To apply for a short-term rental license or home sharing license, there must be paid a non-refundable fee of $413 with additional annual permit
For
fees.
those licensed, the TOT tax must be paid monthly. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll be discussing STRs in Pacific Grove. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you. See you next time.